I love that electric saw. Makes me feel like Bob the Builder. There's a slight possibility that Apple might use OLED for all of its iPhones going forward. Huawei may be joining the race to foldable displays and launching something soon, and sadly Essential is struggling. I mean, things are getting really bad. I'm Jaime Rivera, and believe it or not, this is probably one of the first Fridays ever that I was not counting on happening so quickly. We have a lot of work coming up. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals that have not ended. The Huawei Mate N Pro continues to be one of those devices that we highly recommend. Watch our video for that. But if you're still in the market for one, I mean, it's dropped the price up to $650 since Mother's Day, and it hasn't ended on Best Buy. So if you're in the market, it's probably the best time to buy. Learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Vivo Apex, that device with 93% screen-to-body ratio that's been leaked, and that selfie camera that pops up and down. Okay, let's ditch the whole concept thing. As of now, we received an official email from the company with an event happening on June 12th in Shanghai. So yes, the Apex is happening. See, this is the future of smartphones, Apple. I hope that many companies follow this design and not the notch. Let's see what we get. Now let's talk about Essential and some sad news today. We were hoping for an Essential Phone 2, but we've got some reports from Bloomberg that apparently the company is on sale, that the Essential Phone 2 is not going to happen. And, well, we don't know exactly what to expect going forward from the company. We hear that the company is just trying to sell, but it's looking for investments. It's not necessarily that the company wants to close down. And we hope that's not going to be the case as, well, products usually need more than one generation to work. So hopefully that Essential Phone 2 will happen at some point. Now let's talk about Huawei once again, as we hear that the company is partnering with BOE on a foldable OLED display, and they're actually preparing to launch something at some point, probably by end of this year, early next year. And you know, foldable displays have been the thing from Samsung, and obviously I'm sure that these companies internally know something we don't as to what projects they have with these foldable displays, so stay tuned. This might be really cool if they figure out how to revamp tablets using this technology. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the affordable iPhone, which we hear is going to be priced between $550 and $800. And well, most of the rumors claim that we were going to get an LCD on this phone and that was going to drop the price. But apparently, according to some trusted sources that have already showed us patents in the past, no, it seems that all iPhones are going to bring OLED technology. How is Apple going to cut corners with this design or something to make it more affordable is hard to tell. It's kind of early right now in the supply chain for us to be able to predict that. But in today's question, let us know, not necessarily with either if we're getting OLED or what materials, but do you think that between $500 and $800 would be reasonable as an affordable iPhone? In my case, let's scratch the 500. That's just not going to happen. I'd say be above 650 or something. I feel that that's going to be fine. Not affordable, but fine. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the OnePlus 6 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.